Bonjour, my name is Lapin. I am a freelance illustrator and an artist specialized in urban sketching. You may have seen my work in companies like Air France, the City of Barcelona, Heineken, Formula One, or as an official air and space painter for the French Army. You can call me Captain Lapin. Besides, I have published more than 30 books and filled more than 200 sketchbooks. As far as I remember, I had always drawn. As a kid, I wanted to become a cartoonist, a pilot, and a paleontologist. Nowadays, you can see all of these passions reflected in my work. With urban sketching, I reportage on location, drawing from direct observation. You might spot me in a bright floral shirt and a stylish hat while walking outdoors. I define myself as a mobile illustrator, carrying my studio in the street, a very compact sketching gear and a folding stool that fit in my backpack. My purpose is to capture the essence of a moment, to inspire the viewer to dive right into the scenery around me, using some unusual world perspective and my line. My singular vision is optimistic. The speech bubbles capturing the soundtracks of my sketches will often make you smile. In this Domestika course, I will teach you my process from line drawing to direct observation, to paint with a reduced watercolor palette to a new perspective approach called curvilinear perspective. The final project will be a sketchbook full of portraits, still life, and a 180-degree panorama of a city landscape, including the soundtrack, some personal quotes, and the storytelling. To do this, we will talk about line and color techniques and perspective. We will review different elements and sources of inspiration, and we will use them to do some warm-up exercises. Once we draw these special items, I will teach you how to make a portrait and a wide panorama. You will learn how to integrate intuitively the deformation of the curvilinear perspective. We will then talk about storytelling as a way to express your personal feeling. Finally, you will learn how to share your work on social media and to build a community with other urban sketchers. At the end of this course, you will have a new vision of urban sketchbook with a variety of techniques and motifs. For this course, we will use a black and color fine liners, pens, watercolors, water brush, a folding stool, and of course, a sketchbook. Grab your sketchbook and join me in this journey to find inspiration in the quotidien.